Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have seen the title, you must have guessed by now that I'm gonna talk about some products from Patanjali. So I think each one of us have used at least one product from Patanjali, and Patanjali do have some very good products. And recently I noted the newspaper that they had a very good market last year, and this year also they have made a lot of profit. So I just wanted to share with my viewers the products which I really liked from Patanjali, and I would definitely go back to them again and again. So the first product which I have is a very popular product. So this is the Patanjali Daat Kanti, which fightens germs and also tightens your gum. This is pretty affordable. You get 100 grams of the product for 40 rupees. This is loved by me along with my entire family, and I think a lot of you guys love this product. The thing which I love about this product is that when you brush your teeth with this product in this morning, it just wakes you up and give you a very fresh smell and very fresh effect. These has a typical herbal smell which I absolutely love, and when we'll use this, we'll feel like you're brushing your teeth using the roots and all sort of herbal things. So this can be, or I think it is, a very good competitor for the Colgate and the Pepsodent brands. Next product which I have is my personal favorite. This is the Patanjali detergent with herbs. So I don't have a fresh packet, so I'm showing you guys the one which I'm already using. So the thing about this product is that it has a very good smell, very good smell, which stays after you wash your clothes, like rinse it off completely. It stays till the first day you're wearing the cloth. Now I used to use Surf Excel before I came across this product, but I switched to this product because it's very affordable. This retails for 46 rupees for 1 kg of product. I mean, just believe it, if you go for any other brands like Excel or Surf Excel, for 1 kg you have to pay around more than 100 rupees. I think, I'm not sure about that. But the thing is that in this product you have to, like, if you compare this with Surf Excel, the one thing which I have noticed is that in Surf Excel it will last you long because you don't need much of the product for a single wash, but in this case you will be needing a little bit more product. Thing is something which I absolutely love. This is the Patanjali moisturizer. I use this as my night cream, and I think I've already completed 5 or 6 tubs of it. Then this is a 7th tub that I'm using. I recently gifted this to my mom, and she also loved this product. So, and I highly recommend this to every one of you. Just go and try it out once. So this comes in another variant as well. This is with shea butter, olive oil, and chamomile. And the other variant is in green color, which is the aloe vera one. This is meant for winters, and that is meant for summers. But I love both of the products, both of the variants. And this is very cheap also. This retails for 25 rupees and you get 50 grams of the product. I think it is cheaper than any of the night creams or moisturizer available in the market. So go and try it out. This product, it makes my skin very firm and tightens my skin, so I like it. The next product which I have is my current purchase, and I like it. This is the Patanjali lemon and honey face wash. It is very cheap, it is for 45 rupees only, so I did not have much expectation from this, but when I used it, I first of all like the fragrance of it. I'm very selective about fragrance, and I like my soap and like face washes, soaps, body cleansers, everything to have a very good fragrance. This one has a very fresh fragrance, so I use in the morning, and I did not expect it to work well, but it really worked well. It doesn't make my skin very dry. The almond oil by Patanjali. This doesn't have a good smell, which is one bad point about it, but it does its job very well. I always oil my hair before shampooing it, so I use it quite often, and the after effect of the wash is very good. And the next product is something which I think a lot of you like. This is the aloe vera gel by Patanjali. I don't use this product during winters because my skin is towards the dry side. It's normal to dry, and in winters it becomes very dry. But in summers I usually do not apply very heavy moisturizer on my face because I tend to sweat when I go out in the sun. So then I use this. You can use this product as a primer as well, and aloe vera is also very good for hair. So this is a all-rounder. The last product which I have is this Patanjali balm. Now I bought this mistakenly. Like, I thought it's a lip balm. I don't know why I thought it's a lip balm. Maybe because it's like rectangular in shape, that's why. So I thought it's a lip balm, and I did not read it properly, and I bought it, and I without reading the the packaging, I applied it on my lips and it started burning. And then I realized and that it's not a lip balm, it's something of a jhandu balm kind of a thing. So if you're having pain or if you're having headache during cold, you can apply this and it gives you relief. So I used this product when I was having cold and headache, and it really worked. So if you are somebody who tries or who likes jhandu balm, then do give this product a try. A few products which I think is worth buying from Patanjali, so give these products a try. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and always do not forget to hit the like button. Bye.